Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Haley. Ignore the background. I'm going to be a VIP kid teacher and this is like my teaching background. But this is the spare bedroom at my apartment. So I'm filming in here today. Today I'm going to be filming a snack crate unboxing. I just got this in the mail. This is the first time I've ever tried this. I believe I got the family size, and because it was my first time, I believe I got it half off. So I believe it's normally $50 and I got it for $25. I think. So I just opened up, like I just popped the tape, but here is what first look inside. So right off the bat it says, "We have something to tell you, an item was unavailable, so we included a special snack item." And then this month's box is the UK. So I originally signed up for this because I saw it advertised and I thought that you could pick the country. And I was wanting to pick Japan because I had a roommate this last year who was from Japan. She was a foreign exchange student, and I thought it would just be so fun, and I feel like this is a cheaper way to get the Japan snacks that she might send me, but instead of her having to pay the cost of it and the shipping costs and everything. But anyways, so there's a whole like about, fun facts, capital, all that kind of stuff card here, and then this tells you everything that's in it. So this shows what you might get from the mini, the original, the family size, and the family, I think. So I got the family. I believe that's the biggest size, I think. I've never tried this out before, so that's that. And then there's this nice wrapping on it, and again I just opened it up and it ripped the sticker so it'd be easier. And this is what you see when you open it up. I think it would be so fun to travel to the UK someday. So anyways, let me open this up and then I'll show you what's inside. Okay, I'm going to go through all these items one by one. So this is the Ridge Cut Thai Sweet Chicken. Interesting, McCoy's. I don't think we have anything like this here in the United States. Monsters Munch Pickled Onion Corn Snack. Interesting. These are Walker's. I feel like this looks like the Lay's symbol. Walker's French fries. Those sound good. Hula hoops. Barbecue beef big hoops. I feel like I've heard of these before. I wonder if they're anything like Funyuns, but they're barbecue beef flavored. So, and the back says it comes in salted chili, salt, and vinegar. Interesting. Again, I feel like so much of this we don't have in the United States. Walker's Worcester sauce. I think my boyfriend will like these. Skips prawn cocktail flavored. I know nothing about these and I'm not gonna obviously try them on camera. Space Raiders pickled onion cosmic corn snacks. So I wonder what's the difference between this one and the other pickled onion one. And is that a common flavor, pickled onions? Are pickled onions even a thing in the United States? Frazzles crispy bacon corn snacks. When I think of corn snacks, I think of corn nuts. Am I weird? Is that a common thing? I think the rest of these are candy. I don't know. It's also super hot here, so I really hope it didn't melt things in here. Jaffa cakes. It looks like it's orange, and it says there's 3 cakes in here, but it seems like it would just be one little cake. Barat fruity salad softies. Weird. These kind of feel like a really soft Starburst. And they're £1, which is about the equivalent of a US dollar, if I'm not mistaken. I think. Jammy Dodgers in the raspberry flavor. There's 8 biscuits in here. I feel like I've heard of these. I used to watch a lot of like UK content on YouTube, or even just people like Zoella and things like that, so I feel like I've heard of that. A curly whirly milk chocolate with caramel center, but it's like super thin. Okay. This all just like, it's so different, so interesting. Millions. Strawberry millions. Tiny, tasty, chewy sweets. It's got a little Aubrey strawberry. Smarties. But they're chocolate. Smarties. Wham Original. These kind of feel like, oh my gosh, what are those called? Laffy Taffies. These say raspberry flavored chew with sour crystals. Wine gums? Like wine, like alcohol? Interesting. Blackjack. Is that black licorice? Ew. I've got a few juicy chews that are in here on the bottom. Sherbet fountain with a licorice dip. And then, last but not least, there's this like pack in here and it says, chill out. We're recommending putting this pack in the fridge for 3 hours before enjoying. Well, that's the last of the box. I'm gonna open it and see. So there's a cold pack in here that's completely melted and like warm. So I hope the chocolate isn't melted, or candy or whatever's inside of here. Yeah, chocolate. A fudge, 25p. Is it like a quarter? Fudge. Milk, fudge covered with milk chocolate. A lion bar. Is this like a protein bar, or is it like a candy bar? That's what it looks like. Filled wafer with caramel and cereals covered with milk chocolate. Okay, so I guess it is a candy bar. It just reminds me of like a protein bar. A double-decker. Nougat topped with crispy bottom and Cadbury milk chocolate. Isn't that kind of like a Snickers bar? Ooh, yeah, it's definitely a little melty. I'm gonna put all these back in here when I'm done and then put it in the refrigerator. Ooh, I've always wanted to try this. A crunchy golden honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury milk chocolate. And 2 more. A flake bar. The crummiest, flakiest milk chocolate. So is it just chocolate? And then last but not least, a boost bar. Get boosted with chocolate, caramel, and biscuit energy. Well, biscuit's like a cookie, right? Like, that's what the UK calls it. And so that's, oh, I put that back in there. So that's everything. So I am so excited to try this all. I wonder, like, if I were to, like, go to a store in the UK and purchase all these things, like, how much it would cost compared to, like, how much I paid for it. I mean, I believe this is a $50, like, purchase. Obviously, that shipping isn't, like, included in that, and that's a huge thing. It's like, if I were to, like, ask a person from the UK to buy all these things and send them to me, you'd have to pay for the shipping, and shipping is insane. But like I wonder if I were to like go to, like I said, to a store and purchase all these things and then like ship it out, like how much it would cost me versus how much I paid. I think for the $25 it's definitely worth it, but I don't think it'd be worth the full price for 50, just in my opinion. There was also an additional like I think $5 and you got a drink. And I saw on the little card here it has a iron brew. That's the like drink. I did not go for that option. Review, I guess I should say. I think it's like, again, a really good like mix, and I'm pretty sure when I was doing it that you had the option of either like sweets and salty, and like you could do all sweet, all salty, or like a mix, and so I wanted a mix. It's hot summer, so I can't really blame the fact that like this was like warm, but a little frustrating. I mean, the fact that like there's an ice pack in here in a package like this, and this is like warm. So but again, I think it was like almost 100 today, so I don't know whose fault that is, if it's like the companies or the USPS, or that's the video. I hope you enjoy. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below if you've tried any of these snacks. Also, like, if you're from the UK, I don't know if like anybody in the UK is watching this, but like, is this a good representation of the UK? Like, if I were to go to the UK and like all of these snacks, like, is this something a typical UK person would eat? Okay.